Oh my god. What the fuck? That is so...
What? That's wild.
How we doing tonight, guys?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. Let me get that out of your way. There you go.
I've got 2 more coming.
Right on, we'll wait.
All right. How are you tonight?
Good, good. I'm out pretending to work.
Oh. Oh, this is a good idea. Camera it up.
The camera is to record the car driving. This camera is. This camera is to record, like, whatever. But this camera is to record, and I'm watching YouTube.
What do you got going?
Oh, I just listen to law.
Yeah?
That's all I listen to, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I listen to like a lawyer. That's a lawyer, and he just talks about law.
Yeah.
Sit here and ignore.
You ready? You want to do it? Push this button right here. It says start self-driving.
Oh my god, you guys, it's self-driving.
Oh my god, no way.
Shut up. Get out of here.
This is wild.
This is so cool. Why don't you just...
I've never been in a self-driving car.
Why don't you put this thing to work and have it work for you?
We're not there yet. So right now it does 93% of the job.
Okay, gotcha.
So we're not there yet.
This is so
Look at this vehicle. Is this your vehicle?
Yeah.
Wow, this is so neat.
This is the best car for this job, that's for sure.
For sure, yeah. Look at this GPS system.
Yeah, oh my god, this is so wild.
Screen.
I want to make sure we're recording. We are recording. Good.
Okay. We're being recorded.
We're recording.
Oh, where's the camera?
Not your face. The camera's facing this way.
Oh,
Here,
thank God.
I'll show you. I'll show you. So see, it's facing that way. You're all good.
Okay.
So this is the car waiting for everybody, right? I'll bring up the cameras after this. I'll show you what cameras it's using to do this.
Oh my god. It's so creepy.
So there's 8 cameras. So there's 3 up here looking forward.
Oh my God,
These
such a good
2,
driver.
they're underneath the rear views. So if this
Okay.
camera's looking like this, there's a camera up here that's looking like this.
Wow.
Gorgeous. You never get pulled over. You can maybe not be under the influence, but you know.
You can. Here's what I'll say. If you could the car take you from the bar to home? You'd be okay. Most likely, yes.
Is it legal?
You know,
Is it legal?
all
No.
for self-driving cars.
But
I know that people can be scared of them, but I think technology. This is a great use of technology. This is a safe use of technology.
Right. But
that's true.
what I will say though is I just showed you that this car does 93% of the job, right?
Yeah.
If something goes wrong, you really don't want to be drunk when something goes wrong.
Absolutely.
You know,
not.
because you know, we have our, okay, let's see if it does this right. It's like, it's not my turn. It knows its turn.
Oh.
Now it should go.
Yeah, because you can step on the...
I can, yeah. It should go. Why are you not going? Okay, I'll give it a little hit.
A little extra time, just to make sure.
Maybe that's why Tesla drivers piss me off, because it's not.
Oh, so let me explain something about that. And you're right to be pissed off, but it's actually not the Tesla's driver's fault.
Yeah.
It's the NHTSA, the National Highway Transportation Safety Administration.
Okay.
When Tesla first started doing this and it would come up to a stop sign, it would do a California roll.
Oh.
But
what's a California roll?
Like it would just just kind of slow down and go and whatever, right? And then the NHTSA came in and said, no, the car has to stop. The car has to hit 0 up here. Okay. And so that's why Tesla drivers tick you off, because they're not actually driving, it's just the car.
Okay. The ones, who use that.
If they do a dead stop at a stop sign, they're not driving.
It's speeding right now. That's kind of fun.
Yeah. Here we can put it. Well, so there's a few different settings.
I don't care, it's speeding.
We've got sloth, chill, standard, hurry, and Mad Max.
Oh my god, you can
Wait,
speed.
there is. I didn't even see that.
No, did not. How is that even legal?
Because how is a car allowed to go over the speed limit anyways?
Yeah, true.
Right? You know, it's the same. It's the same thing. Same principle applies.
And like flow of traffic.
Mm-hmm.
That exists and is important.
Yeah, and that's what it'll do. Is it'll do flow of traffic, and so it knows that traffic on this road doesn't do 28. It's used to traffic on this road doing this speed or whatever.
That is
right.
I think just like work and watch a movie.
Almost.
Does it annoy you to have to like, when someone gets in the car, you have to like re-talk about this over and over? Does that irritate you? It would irritate me.
So here's the thing. So like,
He's all shut up about it.
No, you're
like
making great content right now. Keep talking. It's like I handed you guys a script or something. Like, this is awesome.
Oh my god, I love this.
So like, yes, I go through this conversation a million times a day, right?
Yeah.
But I enjoy sharing this with people, and so basically what I'm living off of is your enthusiasm makes it fun for me to re-talk about what I've talked about today. Right. And then I've got the lesson from, you ever been to Disneyland and you've been on those rides where the guy has to talk?
Oh yeah.
Those entire thing, and he does his lines perfectly every time and he makes you laugh.
Yeah.
I kind of think I'm that guy.
Yeah, you got it down.
You know,
God, yes.
So I'm trying to do my job like that guy did his job. Because I sat there when I was in Disneyland a long time ago, I was like, that guy has to say that 10 million times a day.
Yeah.
Like, how does he do that, right? And I just think it literally is, I'm taking from you guys the energy to do the thing.
You should be getting paid by Tesla.
I just hope these YouTube videos pay me, right?
I hope so too.
You know
this
what?
is great. I love the passion. I'm energized.
I think
right
I
now.
might buy a Tesla now.
And
Like,
that's my
honestly.
other goal, is to sell you a Tesla, because I'm a shareholder. So, you know, I got
there
one or
you
two
go.
shares, and
Gotcha.
hopefully those 2 shares will make me some money, you know?
Hell yeah, let's go.
Oh my god. You think they'd ever make a motorcycle like this? Probably
No,
not.
they will not.
Yeah.
He will not. He absolutely, because they're dangerous,
Right.
and he, I think he had, I'm not sure. There's something about motorcycles, because he has literally said numerous times, I will not make a motorcycle.
Yeah.
And so I feel like somebody near him died on a motorcycle is the only thing that makes sense. Harley Davidson actually makes an electric motorbike.
Yeah.
It's not under, it doesn't say Harley Davidson on it, but it is their bike. It just has a whole different name.
They don't want to be repping that.
Yeah, they don't want you to know it's a
embarrassing.
Harley Davidson,
Yeah, they're
right?
Harley, right?
Yeah, that's not a Harley, right? There's no rumble, right?
Yeah.
So, but Harley Davidson does make an electric bike. So if you want an electric
they
bike,
do,
go buy a Harley
Oh my
Davidson.
god, those
right. They're like, no, we can't. What's Harley Davidson known for? Is the rumble, right?
I'm not riding that liberal.
And then this is still the car taking the roundabout and everything. This is still the car.
Wow, this is so sick.
Amazing. I love it. Very cool.
Yeah, no, you guys did great.
Yeah.
This was a perfect video.
You did great too.
Good
Yeah,
You're
good job.
a very, very good driver.
I'm just the entertainer. The car's doing the driving, right?
So wild. Oh my god.
And then see how you can
Wow.
see all these people
Your
right here?
business partner.
See all these people right here on the
Yes.
screen?
Yeah.
No, on the screen
on
too.
the screen, yeah.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
So
That's wild. It's kind of creepy.
whoa.
Now
that's
let's see if it
so
parks
neat.
correctly for us. Let's see if it does the parking.
Wow.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Dude, the future is cool.
I figure I'm out of a job in under 3 years. I think this car will take my job in the next 3 years.
Oh
Yeah.
man.
Yep. I think, we've got Waymos coming to Seattle. They're already here beta testing.
Oh wow.
Doing what?
The self-driving Waymos that don't have a driver in the car.
Yeah.
They're testing Seattle right now, so.
I've seen a few people get in the car and they're like, whoa, nobody.
All right, so it should stop right here,
Okay. Does it
allegedly.
put its hazards on?
You know what? That's a good suggestion.
We should better
It's
call
gonna
Elon
park.
up.
Yeah, we should call up Elon. Here, I'll turn on the
Yay.
hazards.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Thank you so
Wow.
You
much.
bet. Enjoy the rest of the night, huh? Oh yeah, top
Yeah,
button, push
have
and
a
hold,
good one.
push and hold, and then shove.
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
All right, take care, guys. You were great.
Hey, do you got a YouTube channel?
Yeah, it's Cyber Uber Driver.
Cyber the driver?
Yeah, Cyber Uber Driver.
Okay, thank you.
You bet.